Hello, my name is Michelle, and today I have my 5th Prime wardrobe. This is one of 4 services that I have tried for having clothes delivered to the house. I've been sharing all of those boxes on YouTube. For Prime Wardrobe, I've usually done themes or the same brand. This box doesn't really have a theme or a common brand at all. It's kind of a box of just random things. Let's just get into this box. Okay, yeah, so I did get 5 things. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the things are under $25 and one is $34. So again, just that's, I guess, what these things have in common. Looking at the box, I did pick some things, styles that are popular right now and that I have pinned to my Pinterest board, but I haven't received them in other boxes, and I saw some affordable options on Amazon, so I had them sent to me kind of in hopes, I think, of maybe liking these things and being able to add them to my wardrobe before I get them in a Stitch Fix box, for example. That way I can pass on the item from Stitch Fix because I already have something like it. In reality, that probably won't be what happens, and then I'll fall in love with the Stitch Fix item and want to keep that one too, but we'll see. Okay, first up, I have the alternative women's Maniac printed eco fleece sweatshirt in camo. Camouflage style is really popular right now, and I have quite a bit of it pinned on my Pinterest board right now. This is a kangaroo style boat, I guess it's kind of a big neck sweatshirt, and this is $34. One thing I have learned about Prime Wardrobe so far is you want to be really careful about making sure that you put the items back in the bag that they came with. These are tracking stickers. I think it makes it easier for the people in the warehouse when you do the returns to, if the item just matches up with the sticker that is on the bag. That makes things easier. This is the J. Crew Mercantile Women's Textured Pullover Sweater in Crimson Maple. This is $22.50, so not a bad price for a pullover sweater from J. Crew. Oh my gosh, this is such a long title. Amazon Essentials Women's Long Sleeve Classic Fit Lightweight Plaid Shirt in window pane, in white window pane. This is $20. And then I got the same flannel shirt, again in a buffalo plaid color. This is also $20. So if you watch some of my other boxes, you may have heard me say that I have been on the hunt for another buffalo plaid. The only one I have is this shirt right here, but it's sheer, and I've been looking to add a true flannel in that pattern to my wardrobe. See how that one works out. Okay, and then last but not least, for $24.49, I have the Gloria Vanderbilt Women's Amanda Capri jeans in the color Scottsdale. So it is a little bit too early for capris yet, but spring will be here right around the corner in California. Winter doesn't last too long here. So, and I do need a shorter pants, so we'll see how those ones work out. Okay, let's get to the try-on. Okay, here is the red shirt from J. Crew with a white collared shirt underneath it. This is kind of what I had in mind. I was hoping to find a pullover that went with this white collared shirt for that preppy look, and it sort of works. The sleeves are a little bit too baggy on me. I would need to size down on this, but wanted to show you what it looked like for what I had in mind. And I'll go ahead and try it on without the shirt underneath. Here is the sweater without the white shirt underneath it. It is a really cute sweater. This is pretty scratchy though. It has, so you want to wear a cami underneath it. It has about 5 different materials, including alpaca in it, which makes it surprising that it's around the $20 price point. A polyamide, I'm not pronouncing that right, is the main part, and acrylic, which I know some people really don't like, and that's kind of probably what's making it kind of scratchy. But I probably wouldn't mind it much if I just had a cami underneath it, because I can usually take it on my arms, just not really like that feeling on my chest and body. Also, here is the jean. So super high-waisted, which is nice. Let me not fall. I have a lot of stretch here, so lots of stretch. I could probably even size down in these jeans, but these are super comfortable. So, okay, let's get to the next item. Here is the white flannel. I tucked it in so you can see the waist on these jeans. a little bit better before I kind of get into this. So you can see I'm having some button problems right here. Part of it's probably just the bra that I'm wearing today, but I would need to wear a cami underneath this shirt because this is just kind of open. Right, so here's the white flannel, not tucked in, all the way buttoned up. It's cute and it's soft, but in order to like pull off a fitted look, I would probably size down. This is the size that I wear, and it would look really good if I had like a shirt underneath it and just left it open, but I wanted to see what it looked like without it being open. Here is the camo sweatshirt from Alternative with the hoodie pocket right here. And it does have a pretty long neckline here, so you could probably like wear it off the shoulder if you wanted to. Yeah, that could work. And it is really comfy and soft, so I do like this a lot. Okay, and here is the last shirt. It is the Amazon Essentials flannel in plaid, in the buffalo plaid. This one still kind of has the same like problem area right here in the middle for the buttons, but this is what this shirt looks like without it being buttoned all the way to the top. So it's nice for only 20 bucks from Amazon. Overall for this box, so I guess I was my own stylist for this box because I used my Pinterest board to come up with things that I wanted to be in this box from Amazon, and I think that I did an okay job. Overall, my favorite things were, I did like the jean. Eventually I'm gonna need some capris like this. I really do like this camo sweater. They're really popular right now, and it goes really well with the red shoes that I have. I also really liked that buffalo plaid Amazon Essentials shirt. But let me know what you think about these items. If there's you think anything is worth keeping. These are all pretty affordable. I'm happy with the price points on these things, and I will hopefully see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye-bye!